Good morning. Please come in and have a seat. My name is Smith, and I will be your examiner for the speaking test today. Could you please state your full name and provide some identification?
Good morning, Mr. Smith. Thank you. My name is Emma Thompson, and here is my identification.
Thank you, Ms. Thompson. Now, in this first part of the speaking test, I'd like to ask you a few questions about yourself. Let's begin with some questions about your favorite hobbies and leisure activities. What are your favorite hobbies or leisure activities?
Well, I have a few hobbies that I enjoy. One of my favorites is painting. I find it very therapeutic and it allows me to express my creativity. I love experimenting with different colors, textures, and techniques on the canvas. It's a way for me to unwind and get lost in the process of creating something beautiful.
That sounds fascinating, Ms. Thompson. Could you tell me why you enjoy painting? How does it contribute to your overall well-being?
Painting provides me with an outlet for self-expression. It's a way for me to communicate my thoughts, emotions, and perspectives without using words. When I paint, I feel a sense of freedom and liberation. It allows me to explore my imagination and tap into my inner world. The act of painting is not only relaxing but also invigorating. It helps me relieve stress, channel my energy, and achieve a sense of inner balance and harmony.
That's wonderful. Have you had any memorable experiences or achievements related to your hobby of painting?
Yes, I have had some memorable experiences related to painting. Last year, I participated in a local art exhibition where I had the opportunity to display my artwork alongside other talented artists. It was a proud moment for me to see my paintings showcased in a public setting and to receive positive feedback from visitors and art enthusiasts. It boosted my confidence as an artist and inspired me to continue exploring and honing my skills.
That's impressive, Ms. Thompson. Thank you for sharing. We will now move on to the next set of questions. Now, in the second part of the speaking test, I will give you a topic to speak about for 1 to 2 minutes. You will have 1 minute to prepare, and you can make notes if you wish. Afterward, you will need to speak about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Your topic is your educational goals and future aspirations. Please take 1 minute to prepare your response. Your time starts now.
Thank you. In terms of my educational goals, my primary aim is to pursue a degree in environmental science. I have always been fascinated by the natural world and have a strong passion for environmental conservation. I want to gain a deep understanding of the interconnections between ecosystems and human impact, and contribute to finding sustainable solutions to environmental challenges. My aspiration is to work in the field of environmental research and policy. I want to be actively involved in conducting studies, collecting data, and analyzing environmental trends. By doing so, I hope to contribute to the development of evidence-based policies that promote conservation and sustainable practices. I also aspire to raise awareness about environmental issues and inspire others to take action through educational campaigns and community outreach programs. To achieve these goals, I am currently pursuing my undergraduate degree in environmental science. I am taking relevant courses and participating in research projects to gain practical knowledge and hands-on experience. Additionally, I am actively involved in environmental clubs and organizations on campus, which provide opportunities to network with professionals in the field and engage in environmental initiatives. In the long term, I envision myself working for international organizations or government agencies, collaborating with experts and policymakers on a global scale. I want to contribute to shaping policies that prioritize environmental protection, conservation, and sustainable development.
Thank you, Ms. Thompson. That was a well-structured and informative response. Now, I would like to ask you a few more questions related to your educational goals and aspirations.
Certainly, Mr. Smith. I'm ready to answer your questions.
How do you plan to combine your passion for environmental conservation and your future career?
I plan to combine my passion for environmental conservation and my future career by seeking opportunities to work in organizations or research institutions that focus on sustainability and environmental issues. I aim to contribute to projects that address specific environmental challenges, conduct research to understand the impact of human activities on ecosystems, and develop strategies for mitigating environmental degradation. By aligning my career with my passion, I hope to make a meaningful and lasting impact on the environment.
What skills do you think are crucial for a successful career in environmental science?
In my opinion, a successful career in environmental science requires a combination of technical knowledge and soft skills. Technical skills such as data analysis, GIS mapping, and environmental modeling are essential for conducting research and analyzing complex environmental systems. Additionally, strong communication and problem-solving skills are crucial for effectively conveying research findings, collaborating with multidisciplinary teams, and proposing sustainable solutions. Adaptability, critical thinking, and a genuine passion for environmental conservation are also important qualities to navigate the evolving landscape of environmental science.
How do you envision your role in raising awareness about environmental issues through educational campaigns and community outreach programs?
I envision my role in raising awareness about environmental issues through educational campaigns and community outreach programs as that of an advocate and educator. I would actively engage with schools, community centers, and local organizations to organize workshops, seminars, and awareness campaigns. By sharing information about environmental challenges, the importance of conservation, and sustainable practices, I hope to empower individuals to make informed choices and take positive actions for the environment. It is crucial to instill a sense of responsibility and encourage collective efforts to protect our planet for future generations.
Thank you for your detailed responses, Ms. Thompson. That concludes the second part of the speaking test.
Thank you, Mr. Smith, for conducting the test.
Now, in the third part of the speaking test, I will ask you some broader questions related to the topic we discussed. Please feel free to express your opinions and provide examples to support your views. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Let's proceed with the first question. In your opinion, what are the most pressing environmental issues that need immediate attention?
In my opinion, there are several pressing environmental issues that require immediate attention. Climate change is undoubtedly one of the most critical challenges we face today. Rising global temperatures, extreme weather events, and melting ice caps are threatening ecosystems and human well-being. Another significant issue is the loss of biodiversity, as habitats are destroyed and species are driven to extinction. Additionally, pollution, deforestation, and unsustainable resource consumption contribute to the degradation of our environment. These issues demand urgent action and collaborative efforts on a global scale.
How can individuals contribute to mitigating climate change in their daily lives?
Individuals have a crucial role to play in mitigating climate change. There are several actions we can take in our daily lives to make a positive impact. For instance, reducing energy consumption by using energy-efficient appliances, conserving water, and opting for renewable energy sources can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, adopting sustainable transportation methods such as carpooling, cycling, or using public transportation can reduce carbon emissions. Being mindful of our consumption patterns, practicing waste reduction, and recycling can also contribute to mitigating climate change. Lastly, raising awareness, educating others, and advocating for sustainable practices can create a ripple effect and inspire more people to take action.
What role do you think government policies should play in addressing environmental issues?
Government policies play a crucial role in addressing environmental issues. They have the power to create regulations and incentives that promote sustainable practices, protect natural resources, and reduce pollution. For instance, implementing stricter emission standards for industries, investing in renewable energy infrastructure, and enacting laws to preserve protected areas are essential steps. Governments can also encourage sustainable practices through tax incentives, subsidies, and awareness campaigns. Moreover, international cooperation and agreements are necessary to tackle environmental challenges that transcend borders. It is the responsibility of governments to provide the framework and resources needed to address these issues effectively.
How can businesses contribute to environmental sustainability?
Businesses have a significant impact on the environment, and they can play a crucial role in promoting environmental sustainability. First and foremost, businesses can adopt sustainable practices throughout their operations, such as reducing energy and water consumption, implementing waste reduction strategies, and incorporating environmentally friendly technologies. They can also prioritize responsible sourcing and production methods that minimize environmental impact. Moreover, businesses can contribute to sustainability by investing in research and development of green technologies and collaborating with stakeholders to find innovative solutions. By embracing sustainability as a core value, businesses can not only contribute to environmental protection but also enhance their reputation and attract environmentally conscious consumers.
Thank you for your thoughtful responses, Ms. Thompson. That concludes the speaking test.
Thank you, Mr. Smith, for conducting the test.